BJP's Hindutva baggage, its stand on issues like beef, be an impediment at some point? Like in Meghalaya, you mentioned that you won only 2 seats.
I think BJP has clarified its position quite well. During that point of time when controversy kept on arising, I mean, nobody talks about beef today in Northeast.
But there is a contradiction in the party's position that you can be killed or you can be jailed for having beef elsewhere in the country, but in the Northeast it's okay.
কি মিথ্যাবাদী লোক ভাই, এত মিথ্যে কথা বলে লজ্জা করে না? ফালতু কি সিট মে দর্দ है?
Sekhaji, look, our constitution in directive principle specifically ban cow slaughter.
No, they don't ban. This is
That is a directive principle,
Directive, yes.
and when it is a directive principle, it is a part of your constitution. So it is good if we respect Gandhi. It is good if we respect directive principle of state policy. So I think it is your own conscience. If you propagate that cow slaughter should not happen, I think nobody should accuse him because he is promoting constitution.
Sir, welcome.
Do you condemn the lynchings that are happening in the name of?
Violence in any manner is bad. I mean that nobody can support to that. But if somebody is propagate cow protectionism, I think we should not condemn him also.
Dr. Sarjeet Dodeja, I am a scientist. Till recently, till 2014, it was a very common thing that people trained in left parties graduated to Congress party to enjoy power. Now things are moving in different way. Now people are graduating from Congress to BJP. So things are in such a way. How you find difference between Congress and BJP?
So BJP में आप कांग्रेस आ सकता है, लेकिन जब कांग्रेस से बीजेपी जाते हैं तो sustain there and you being there, you need lot of preparation and you can't do it overnight. I mean, I have to tell you very frankly, it is not easy to be there because in Congress we don't shout Bharat Mata, we don't salute Bharat Mata. In Congress we don't shout Bharat Mata, we don't salute Bharat Mata.
লজ্জা করে না?
So I had been in Congress 23 years. We are trained for a different kind of culture. I can go on saying about Congress culture and BJP culture. I can make lot of distinction between the two. If you want to hear that, but I don't know. I mean,
Yes, talk about that. It's interesting.
I mean, you see that in Congress it is a culture of feudalism. You know that there are feudal lords, so if you can go and convince them, your job is done. In Congress party, leadership trusts someone which has at least 2 or 3 generations they spend in Congress party. I'll not put in a negative way. So BJP, those are not there. BJP is strictly a middle class party. People like, you can see it, you can talk, you can discuss. You can just walk into anybody's home, anybody's residence. But in Congress, we could not even think of calling anybody who is in the union cabinet. It is very difficult. I mean, they are all gods and demigods. I mean, you have to meet them in that way.
मैं जानता हूं आपको कितनी दिक्कतें आई है।
You are not an RSS person. You were not in the RSS. This is a party where RSS is very central. So how much of an RSS man do you feel in your heart now?
My relation continues for last 20-25 years. You know that RSS supported Assam agitation like anything. We work in Assam agitation. So our relationship was there and it's a question of just renewal. I got so sad when I see Sonia Gandhi's dinner party and Ajmal is one of the invitee there. So you accuse RSS as communal, but you dine with Ajmal.
धोखा, हाँ धोखा।
100 में से 80 बेईमान, फिर भी मेरा देश महान।
Can you tell us one good thing about Rahul Gandhi according to you? What part of his politics according to you is right?
I mean, for me, I mean, you see, I met him at least 20 times in my life. I share hours with him, but I do not see him as a politician. He may be a good human being, but my honest and very humble opinion about him that he is not cut out to be a politician.
भैया
बड़ा शरारती है बंदा यार तू